Package finally arrived from Takealot. I bought myself a welding hood. So this is a very short but powerful video. I bought this just so that I can weld properly without weld here in the neck. Especially here on the head. It's not lekker. Here in the ear. Here in the neck. On all the strangest places it's not lekker. But yeah, that's the reason why I bought this thing. And I'm gonna test it today. Hopefully it's gonna be alright. Yeah, here's the results. This is gonna help me a lot. It's like a big. So I'm gonna use this liquor. Hopefully it fits on my head. I'm just gonna check quickly. This thing is a bit too big. Maybe it's right, I'm not sure. I want it to sit flush. This piece here, yeah, is a bit too big. If I put it on, I must sit like this. Wait. I must almost sit like this, man. I want it to sit like this. And it would be way better for work purposes, etc. Because then I know my face is covered with a welding helmet and nothing is going to go in my ear or in my neck. That's the only thing that I don't like about this thing. So out of 5 stars, I'll give it a 4. I love the idea, it's not that expensive. But the only thing that I hate about it is that's why I'm not giving it a 5 star is this section. Look, giving it a 3 stars, but the material feels right and everything, so I'm giving that its due. But I'm gonna see if I can use it quickly. I'm gonna test this thing out. As you guys can see, it's a bit too loose here. So after this, I'm gonna give it the final rating. Everything is sorted now. We just give a few taps and take it back from there. Make sure your surrounding area is safe when working with any sparks or fire. You guys can see there's thinness there, but in the next few seconds I'll remove it. I just forgot about it. So far so good. The last stack now. So yeah, I would give this thing 4 out of 5 stars.
2,000 years later.
Sorry to interrupt the videos, this is future me. I think it's a week later. So far what I found out now, depending on your hair, the welds still go inside here. So like I said, it would be better if you could adjust it yourself or just get someone, or you can do it yourself just to put on a Velcro strap there or wherever you want it. You can just move it yourself and put it wherever you want to, just to make sure that your face is closed. Because sometimes it still goes in here and here. If you have like an afro or like a ponytail or something, then the thing is going to sit a bit higher. So sometimes in the eye area exposes your forehead or at least this part of your hair. So sometimes the welds still go in here. But it also probably depends on what type of helmet you have. I'm not sure why my helmet is like that, because this from off my head and that, yeah, from off and backwards, that my head's exposed. I don't know why. So that's why I decided to buy that thing anyway. But just because of that issue, if there was like a 3.5 star option, I would have picked the 3.5 star. Just because of that issue. So if it can be shorter, then it's fine. But for the price in that, I would still give it a 4. But out of the week that I used it, I'll give it a 3.5 star. And it's not a bad product at all. It's just like I said, if there was more adjustment, it would have been better, but then it would have been more expensive. So 3.8 stars out of 5. So it's still good. It's still a great product, value for money and everything. So just make sure that you have the right hairstyle and then you'll be sorted. Because of just this, so far it's working for like, because I'm standing, but if I'm gonna lay on the ground or do any strings welding, then it's gonna be issue. But yeah, it's alright, and I had to just adjust the welding helmet so that it could work. But other than that, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see each other in the next video. Peace.